Hi everyone, Sierra here. The technique I will be demonstrating this week is a guided meditation on gratitude. The reason I chose this technique, and specifically a meditation on gratitude, is because I personally find that gratitude is an emotion that's not often discussed and or displayed, really. So I'm trying to get everyone back to their roots and bring back those feelings of appreciation and of showing gratitude. The technique that I'm going to do would most benefit those who feel overwhelmed, anxious, or simply need to find time to relax, such as master's students at Widener who are about to go on their spring break in a week. And so what I'm going to start with today is finding a comfortable position. For some people, this might be on a soft piece of furniture. It could be on the floor. I myself am in my dining room today, sitting in a higher back chair, but I sometimes like to complete this meditation in my own room on a soft area rug or on a yoga mat if I'm on a hardwood floor. And so I'd like all of you to start by hopefully finding a comfortable place in your home or wherever you are to take a seat. And once you do so, I'd like you to relax your limbs, stretch out your shoulders some, allow your limbs to hang to your sides, or if you'd like, you can place them on your lap like I have done so. And I've also let my feet rest on the floor. And so I have my feet flat. Sometimes they'll hang if I'm in a chair that's a little higher, but today they're simply flat on the floor. And so what I'd like us all rather to do is to close our eyes and part your lips in a way to prepare yourself to start breathing from your mouth. And so we'll just sit for a few moments with our lips parted and breathe regularly as we would. Next, what I'd like you to do while your eyes are remaining closed is to breathe in from your nose and exhale through your mouth. And we'll do this a few times. And as you're focusing on your deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, I would like you to silently reflect on the following questions. What does it mean to be grateful? How does it feel to be grateful? What is it like to express your appreciation? And as you're breathing throughout this, allow gratitude to throughout your body and through your heart. And as you're breathing, take pauses in between each breath, continuing to find stillness and appreciation. With each breath you breathe in, imagine you are breathing in gratitude. And with each breath exhaled, imagine you are exhaling appreciation, gratitude, appreciation. And so allow yourself the opportunity to be wrapped in gratitude. Allow yourself the feeling to be comfortable, to be relaxed, and to realize how truly grateful you can be and what it is exactly that you are grateful for. As you continue to reflect on these, you may bring your body to become aware of your surroundings. Perhaps you are like myself in saying that you might have your windows open right now since it is a warmer weekend. You may hear children playing in the neighborhood. Perhaps you have children playing in your own household. Maybe you hear the TV in the next room. Or maybe you're simply sitting in silence and hear nothing. Allow yourself to be aware of all of the things that are going on around you right now at this moment. And in saying that, bring your body to its natural state. Bring your breathing back to normal. If your eyes are closed, you may open them. If they have been open, like my own, that is fine as well. And so take the time to awaken your body. Hopefully you are feeling more relaxed. Hopefully you are feeling a sense of gratitude that you may not have previously felt prior to engaging in this technique. And allow yourself to recognize that you are ready to tackle the next task, whatever that task may be. Thank you all for following along with this technique. Thank you for your attention. I hope that it's helpful to you in your practice, whether that be in the field or simply for self-care. And I hope you all have a great spring break. It's definitely well deserved.